So Monday Morning Fabrics will not disappoint. Let me show you these. Now I got to tell you a little backstory on these because these are from Matthew in New York. And to Matthew I said I want a beautiful, I said I want a coordinated navy group because navy is so strong. Even now into spring, it's just really coordinated. It's really beautiful. But anyway, so he sent this group and it is beautiful. It's a combination of Versace, Max Mara, and a few others. So we're going to start with this. This is a textured navy. This is Versace. We have had this, but we sold out of it, and he gave it to me at a discounted price, so watch for the discounted price. It's beautiful. I mean, it's just a beautiful piece of fabric. It could do anything. Pants, everything and anything. Now, these prices, these discount prices, I'm going to just hold off for a couple days because we can't, anyway, this is 100% cotton. It's a navy with a white dot. 100% cotton. This is a Max Mara. Again, a beautiful piece of fabric, and the pricing is going to be incredible. So just like I said, watch that pricing. So this comes in, this is a red orange. It's a linear. I had this up before, but we got this in before we got the rest of the group in, and I didn't realize it paired well so with this. It's a cotton poly, but it's a beautiful piece. It'd be great for slacks. I've seen being made out of this right now. This really fine, it's just so pretty. Very, very pretty. So this is the pair that he paired it with, but like I said, I didn't have it originally. You can see that it just goes beautifully together. This is a Max Mara. This is actually a woven. You can see it's not a printed. The weave goes, the color goes all the way right through. 100% cotton. It's just a woven piece of fabric. Again, beautiful piece of fabric. And again, we'll have that special pricing up for you. This is a viscose. Now, solid navy, beautiful drape, just incredible drape. It's got a touch of poly in it, it's got to be a really small percent. This is a stretch woven. It's probably not a poly, it's probably a lycra, but same thing to me. Anyway, so it's a stretch woven in one direction, incredible drape, beautiful drape. And then this is a viscose sweater knit. It's so pretty. That's not a navy, that's actually a black. It's a black, it's a red, and a gray, a charcoal. So I just wanted to tip that out. I think he put it to go in with this group just because of the reds, but there is a black color component to that. So the stretch is both directions. It's a ribbed, it's just lovely. The fabrics are just lovely. So great Monday Morning Fabrics. Those prices are incredible. It won't be around for too long. The goal is, as you know it, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.